How is the New York Bar Exam graded? If you are preparing for the New York Bar Exam, you might be curious about how the grading system works. Understanding this can help you focus your study efforts effectively. The New York Bar Exam follows the Uniform Bar Examination format, which includes three main parts: the Multistate Bar Examination, the Multistate Essay Examination, and the Multistate Performance Test. Each of these components plays a role in your overall score. Let's break down the scoring. The Multistate Bar Examination is a multiple-choice test that covers essential legal subjects. This section accounts for 50% of your total score. The Multistate Essay Examination consists of essay questions that assess your legal analysis and writing skills, contributing 30% to your overall score. Finally, the Multistate Performance Test evaluates your practical lawyering skills through performance tasks, making up 20% of your total score. Now, how does the scoring work? All components are scaled and combined to create a total score on a 400-point scale. To pass the New York Bar Exam, you need to achieve a minimum score of 266 out of 400. This score is not just a simple addition, it reflects the weighted contributions of each section. The grading process is quite specific. The Multistate Bar Examination score is scaled by the National Conference of Bar Examiners. In contrast, the Multistate Essay Examination and the Multistate Performance Test are graded by New York examiners, and their scores are then scaled to align with the Multistate Bar Examination scores. This ensures that all scores are comparable. In addition to passing the bar exam, candidates must also pass the Multistate Professional Responsibility Examination with a minimum score of 85 to be eligible for admission in New York. When it comes to results, you can expect to receive your scores about 90 days after the exam date. Your score report will detail your scaled scores for each section, including the essays, the performance test, and the multiple-choice questions. This breakdown helps you see where you excelled and where you might need to improve. If you are considering taking the bar exam in New York but have taken it in another jurisdiction, you might be in luck. New York accepts uniform bar examination scores from other states if you scored 266 or higher, and if the score was achieved within 3 years of your application. For experienced attorneys, there is also an option for admission on motion, provided you meet specific practice and educational requirements. Understanding how the New York Bar Exam is graded is essential for your preparation. Focus your study time according to the weight of each section. Spend more time on the Multistate Bar Examination since it carries the most weight, while also honing your essay writing and practical skills for the other components. Knowing the passing thresholds and grading details can help you set realistic goals and track your progress effectively.